Hey Amour Gang, welcome back. So today's video will be about how you can darken or tint the lace on your lace wigs, frontals, and closures instantly. I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY on how you can make your own lace tint spray. So if you guys are interested, definitely keep watching this video. Okay, so before we get into the tutorial, I definitely wanted to show you guys what hair that I will be using. The hair is from Celie hair. I have their Brazilian water wave hair. I have 3 bundles as well as a frontal. The bundles are in the length 20 inches and the frontal is in a 18 inch. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys how the color of the lace on this frontal does not match my skin tone whatsoever. So I'm definitely going to have to go in and tint the lace. And I wanted to show you guys like the difference of my skin complexion compared to the lace color. As you guys can see, the lace color is very light, and I'm holding it against the stocking cap because the stocking cap, it matches closely to my skin tone. This is the stocking cap that I usually use underneath my wigs. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and bleach the knots on this frontal. I usually do not bleach the knots on my frontal, but in this video I decided to go ahead and do so. And you guys see that the products that I will be using, I'm using the Blonde Brilliance lightening powder, and I'm using some 30 developer. I did not do like a full out tutorial on how I bleach the knots because I have tons of video showing you guys this. I will try to link it up above or down below in the description section. So pretty much I went ahead and bleached the knots. I let the bleach sit on the lace for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I went ahead and rinsed it off. And then of course I went in with the purple shampoo just to make sure that I cancel out any brassiness or orange tones when it came to the frontal. Okay, so now it is time to darken and tint the lace on my frontal, and I'm going to be showing you guys a super easy way on how to do this. And making a spray is super easy to do when it comes to darkening the lace on your frontal. So the products that I will be using, I'm using the Adore Honey Brown. I do have the Adore Darkest Brown just in case I need to darken the color of the tint. And I just showed you guys like the red tan dye. You can also use this when it comes to tinting the lace on your frontal. So I have a bowl, a spoon, and some water, and I will be making my mixture for my lace tint spray. Okay, so the first step that I did is I went ahead and add about 1 to 2 spoonfuls of the Adore Honey Brown color into my bowl. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some water. What you want to do is basically just trying to find the right ratio, depending on if you need a 2-to-1 ratio, which means you need 2 spoonfuls of the Adore and 1 spoonful of water. And it all depends on how much lace tint spray that you want. I only needed a little bit, so that is the reason why you guys only see like a small mixture for my lace tint spray. But basically what you want to do is just go ahead and mix the water as well as your color that matches closely to your skin tone together. And then what I did is I actually used a paper towel to see exactly what color that I did get, and I just wanted to make sure that it matches closely to my skin complexion. And I just pretty much kind of just eyeballed it and went back and forth with the water as well as the Adore dye just to get my right consistency. And then once I did that, the next step that I did was I went ahead and poured the lace tint mixture into a spray bottle. Now you guys can use whatever type of spray bottle that you want. I went ahead and tried to use like the little small applicator bottle, and then I added like a spray top to the top of it, but for some reason it wouldn't spray out. So I did pour in the mixture into another spray bottle, and I think that this spray bottle was a little bit better because it missed the whole entire frontal within seconds. So after I sprayed the whole entire frontal with my lace tint spray, I let it sit for about 30 minutes to make sure that it's completely dry. And as you guys can see, it darkened the lace on my frontal very quickly. You guys, this is like a simple DIY. You can make it yourself. All you need is water and some dye or some color that matches closely to your skin tone. And all you have to do is just make the mixture. Yeah, you guys, I really love this method when it comes to darkening or tinting the lace on my frontal or wigs. You guys, I'm doing this from now on. I love the fact that the spray did not rinse off when I did go in and wash the hair. It pretty much stayed put. You guys, so what I'm going to do now is go ahead and install the wig onto my head. But I did want to let you guys know my experience with wearing Celie hair. When I got the hair, there was no type of smell or odor. I didn't experience any tangling or shedding when I took the hair out of its package. Once I installed the or made my wig, I did notice that I was experiencing some tangling and shedding with this hair. I experienced more shedding with the hair than tangling, but yeah, that was about it. If you guys are interested in Celie hair, I will leave all the information down below in the description section. I'm not for sure if the hair does apply well to heat because I just left it in its water wave texture. I do love the wave pattern on this hair. It is super nice. I was able to easily define the waves just using some water and some Aussie moisturizing conditioner. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would definitely give this hair about a 7 or an 8. I will definitely have to go in and probably deep condition the hair because, like as I stated before, I did experience some shedding with this hair and a little bit of tangling. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up and comment and share. And as always, you guys, I will see you in the next video.
Girl, you know that's our fate. I got it, babe, I'll pay just to spend some time with you. Down, down, left, right, B-A star, select. Meet me at the arcade. Girl, you know that's our fate. I got it, babe, I'll pay just to spend some time with you. I'm charging up the power card, cause we gon' be here hours long. Endless hours on endless hours. And every time we die respawn, all we do is swipe. This game gon' take a minute, y'all. You will stand in line, waiting on us till we finish. We ain't got nowhere to be. Walking over to the counter saying, read them as you weed. When we redeem our tickets, we be feeling we got cheated, cause